Berada di kawasan pusat kota Yogyakarta, tepatnya di Jalan Kapas nomor 7 Semaki Umbul Harjo, Yogyakarta, SMA Muhammadiyah II Yogyakarta merupakan salah satu amal usaha organisasi Muhammadiyah dalam bidang pendidikan.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Okay, that's good. I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, before we begin the class, let's have a prayer. Please, who wants to lead your friend to have a prayer? Raise your hand. Okay, Zalfa, please lead your friend in front of the class to have a prayer.
Before we start our lessons this morning, let's pray together. 1, 2, 3. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin.
Okay, thank you, Zalfa. Have you breakfast this morning?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, are you ready to have an English class today?
Yes.
Ready? Ready-nya gimana semangatnya? Ready. Okay. I'm ready, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, before we begin the class, let me to call you one by one. As usual, raise your hand and then say present. Yeah. Okay. Arkadia Abra.
Present.
Yeah. Aserera.
Present.
Okay. Adelia. Aditya Putri. Okay. Aksan Fadil.
Satu nusa, satu bangsa, satu bahasa.
punya 2 pertanyaan, ya. I will give you a question based on the spin in the layar, ya. Ini di sini. Ini saya putar. Oke. Nanti kalau yang muncul namanya bisa kasih pertanyaan, ya. Dan bisa kasih hadiah, harus bisa jawab. Oke. Hadiahnya apa, Miss? Hadiah. Oke. Ya, let's spin the system. Oke, pertanyaan nomor Mumtaz disiapkan dulu karena pertanyaannya ada 2, ya. Yang kedua siapa? Bentar. Oke, Kak Tony. Dan yang kedua. Atau nanti 4 orang nggak apa-apa? Baca-baca. Oke. Zuraya. Oke. Ya, disiapkan. Oke, deh. Laura Savana, oke, 3, oke, kurang 1. Kayla Zahra, oke. So what is the question, Miss? Ya, oke. Tadi siapa? Pak Tony, Juraya, Laura, sama Kayla. Oke. This is the question. Oke, Pak Tony. Number 1, what do you say if you want to tell how to clean a PC? You know PC? Yeah. Kira-kira, what do you say if you want to tell how to clean a PC? Novel? Pas? Pakai mic.
To clean a PC, so spray with a clean water.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Mumtaz. So you have a present like this. Okay, thank you. Roll. Okay, very good. Thank you, Kayla Zahra. Hari ini, today, yang pertama peserta didik atau siswa melalui pengamatan tayangan video dan mendiskusikan bahan ajar dapat menganalisis fungsi sosial teks, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan berbentuk instruksi, resep, dan manual sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dengan tepat dan teliti. Yang kedua, peserta didik atau siswa melalui pengamatan tayangan video dan mendiskusikan bahan ajar dapat membedakan fungsi sosial teks, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan berbentuk instruksi, resep, dan manual sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dengan benar. Discuss about conditional sentences, kalimat penggantian. So today we have a new material about procedure text, ya. So I will give you 2 video about procedure text. They are very different. Ada 2 video yang sangat berbeda tentang procedure text. Nanti kalian bandingkan video 1 dan video 2 karena there are any differences, ya. Let's see the video.
Computer together. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Take a deep breath. We're going to show you, step by step, how to set up a desktop computer. First, unpack everything from the box and remove any plastic covering or protective tape. Think about where you want your workspace to go and how you want to arrange the different components before you start plugging things in. Next, let's connect them online. If you have an all-in-one computer where everything is built in, for example, an iMac, you can skip this step. Otherwise, locate your monitor cable. Newer monitors often use HDMI or USB-C connections, while older monitors may use VGA. DVI.
It's of deliciousness. With a little practice, you can make a sushi roll and serve up delightful Japanese dinners or stunning appetizers. All sushi rolls have two things in common. Sushi rice, special short grain rice cooked and seasoned. It has a sticky consistency that's ideal for making sushi rolls. Nori, dried seaweed that comes in paper-thin squares. All the other ingredients are up to you. Some classic sushi rolls are California roll, which has crab, cucumber, and avocado. Philly roll, which is made from smoked salmon, cream cheese, avocado, cucumber. And cucumber roll, with just cucumber, a great choice for sushi newbies and kids, so that the bamboo strips.
Ya, tadi ada yang jawab tuh. Okay, is this about manual instruction ya? Manual instruction, okay. How about the second video? Okay, itu Zalfa tadi jawab, saya kasih aja. Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you Zalfa. Good. Okay. So how about the second video? Video 2. The second video. What is the second video called? Kalau tadi kata yang first video kan manual or instruction. How about the second video? What is the second video called? Yoga? Huh? Okay, the step of how make two sushi rolls. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. Apa? Ya, sama-sama procedure text. Okay, so let me to tell you about procedure text. Okay, so do you know how to do it? Kira-kira pisinya mau diambil sih, mau dibuang apa mau dibersihkan? So in the PC ya. Yeah. Okay. So when I ask you, do you know how to do it? So otomatis you have to explain about apa? The steps ya, langkah-langkahnya. Okay. So today we have learn about procedure text. Yeah. Procedure text. Kalau dibaca, please read the information about procedure text. Haris, dibaca Haris. Procedure text adalah, dengan kata lain, procedure text ini dibuat untuk memberi gambaran tentang bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan melalui langkah yang berurutan. Ya, the clue is berurutan. Tidak boleh acak-acakan, harus urut. Ya, stepnya. Ada bahannya juga. Kemudian stepnya, langkah-langkahnya ada langkah first ini saya put, and then second, third, and then finally. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Any question about procedure text? No? Is it clear? Okay. Very good. Yeah. Help me to distribute this paper, Mumtaz dan sisa ya, buat distribute satu-satu. Okay. Ada? Help me please. Ya, satu-satu. And then please write your name and your class in this paper. Okay. Write your name and your class in the paper. Kalau masih belum jelas, saya bisa tampilkan lagi video.
Are you having trouble putting your computer together? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Take a deep breath. We're going to show you, step by step, how to set up a desktop computer. First, unpack everything from the box and remove any plastic covering or protective tape. Think about where you want your workspace to go and how you want to arrange the different components before you start plugging things in. Next, let's connect the monitor. If you have an all-in-one computer where everything is built in, for example, an iMac, you can skip this step. Otherwise, locate your monitor cable. Newer monitors often use HDMI or USB-C connections, while older monitors may use VGA, DVI, or another type. When you're done, connect the other end to your monitor. Now it's time to plug in your keyboard and mouse. If they're wired, they most likely have a USB connector, so you can use any of the ports you see here. You can also plug your mouse into the USB port on your keyboard if it has one. If it has a power switch, you may need to switch it on. That's all there is to it.
You need some basic tools. Bamboo sushi roll mat, plastic wrap, rice paddle or wooden spoon, sushi. Set the cut rolls on end and line them on a serving platter or sushi plate.
Question number 104, please. Come to this class, in front of the class. Write your answer. Okay. Delta. Okay. And then, whoever really needs to watch the video, you be already a user. Okay, Salah, good. And then, what is the purpose of the video? So let's start setting the computers. Very good. What is the benefit of watching the video? We will know how to set a desktop computer. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Then the second video. What is the video about? It is about how to make sushi rolls. Okay. That is it. Yeah? Okay. Very good. And then who will probably need to watch the video? Someone who want to make sushi rolls. Okay. Next. Okay. That's good. And then
Make a sushi roll. Materialsnya tuh ada sushi rice, non-flavor, cucumber, avocado, eggs, bamboo mat, knives, plastic wrap, sama rice bread. Stepsnya, first, lay out the bamboo mat on the table. Secondly, set the plastic wrap on top of the bamboo mat. Thirdly, spread out the cooked rice on the mat and leave a space on the edge to seal. Fourth, fill in the sushi by putting the cut cucumber, avocado, eggs on top of the rice, not too full. Fifth, seal the notice edges with flour. Sixth, roll the mat as well as the plastic wrap. Seventh, release the bamboo mat and cut the sushi rice between the knives.
okay, very good. Thank you. Yang satu how to make a sushi, yang satu how to set desktop computer. Okay, so different. And then how about the finish structure? Similar or different? Similar karena apa? Sama kan, ada tool, ada materials atau tools, ada steps, so sama. For the next session, I will masih ya. Okay, now on your worksheet, ya, yang bagian how to click inside of the computer, there are eight pictures, ya. So you have to use method chain writing, ya, atau chain writing technique. Perhatikan, pay attention please. Chain writing, apa itu chain writing? Nah nanti, jadi di setiap grup itu ya, kamu ada 6 students. Picture 1. Misalnya you don't nulis apa itu langkah-langkahnya, how to clean the inside the computer, and then berantai, kemudian dilanjutkan gigi, kemudian dilanjutkan yoga untuk step berikutnya, gitu ya. So satu siswa menggunakan satu step dilanjutkan, ditulis di situ, oke? Berantai ya, jadi melanjutkan, oke? I'll give you time 5 minutes to do the work, oke? Yo, please go, come on. Bro, perhatikan. Ya. Oke, perhatikan. Can look at the screen. Nah. Oke. Now. You have to create a poster Canva about procedure text, about manual or instruction. Oke, kalian membuat poster Canva berbentuk procedure text tentang manual or instruction. Oke, dibuat dalam kelompok menggunakan teknik chain writing. Jadi satu siswa mengerjakan stepnya satu berulang, jadi berantai, gitu ya. And then dituangkan ke desainnya, nanti saya kasih letak tulangan di situ. Kemudian kalian buat dalam poster Canva. Oke, are you ready? Bisa? Oke, ya silakan dikerjakan diskusi dalam kelompoknya.
Lanjutin lah.
Boleh tambahin, oke?
Siapa yang mau?
Today we will presentation about how to use printer properly. So we will give you guys some manual how to use printer properly. Right?
Oke, mikrofonnya diganti-ganti. Oke.
Material printer software laptop first in the phone material printer software laptop.
And for the first step is look in the table power table of the printer and turn it on. Second, go to your laptop or computer and find the printer settings.
Click at printer and follow the Google instruction that appear to.
Finally, it's ready to use.
Thank you so much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, HP-nya di stop dulu. Pay attention to your friend. HP-nya nggak ada yang dipegang. Taruh di meja.
Yeah, so we want to present how to line on the right column. Ready? Make sure to stay connected to the internet because it will be easier if you stay connected to the internet. Scan dari kamu.
Give applause Sakit? Sakit kan?
Yes, or you can say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I end the class. I have a question for you. So what have that you learned today? What materials that have you been learned today? Procedure text, yeah. So can you explain about the unique structure of procedure text? Apa aja tadi? Ada 3. Goal, materials, and then text. Okay. So no question. No. Is it clear for you? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. And we will discuss about new material next week. Next week about narrative text. Yeah. Okay. Before we end the class, let's have a prayer. Jangan lupa bisa pimpin doa untuk mengakhiri pembelajaran hari ini dari sini.
Before we end our lessons this afternoon, let's say Hamdalah together.
Okay, thank you, Delva. Okay, give applause for the class today. Are you happy with the class?